welcome back to my channel, love. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to slay a pixie cut wig. Now I've had this wig for about a week now, so I've been playing with it, messing with it, changing some things, trying new things, and I came across another method where it looks like a lot more natural. So I'm actually going to be showing y'all two different methods on how to apply this wig, and I will have all the details in the description box. Before y'all ask in the comments, check the description box. I got you, sis. This is how it looks, and I am loving it, y'all, because when I tell y'all, I have been this close to freaking chopping all my hair off for a good year now, like and I was for real gonna cut it, and then I was like, you know what, let me try at least like a wig or a weave to see how I would look with it before I can't like go back and change it. And y'all, like I would say like she's giving me grown woman, she's giving me motherhood but still baddie, she's giving what was said? Did somebody say something? Oh, hold on. Okay, like I have been having too much fun with this hair, and I was like, let me show my ladies how y'all can finesse the pixie cut look without actually having to cut your hair, because I am glad that I got a wig instead of actually cutting my hair. I'm not gonna lie, like I might just rock this look for a good minute, and a lot of people don't even know it's a wig from my comments on Instagram. So anyways, y'all, enough chatting, because y'all know I can chat all day. Like I said, I have two different methods. One is a little more natural, and one is the typical traditional lace front slay, because this is a lace front wig. But just wait, y'all, I have the ultimate finesse. Let's get into it. All right, y'all, so I am looking crazy. No ma'am. Let's fix this. Look what I did, y'all. So I actually sewed down the front of the lace to the top of my braids. If you look closely, you can see I didn't do them too tight because I didn't want my hair to be pulled on too much, but that is what I did. And I'm gonna take my clips that are already on the wig and just literally tuck them into my braids. As y'all can see, I left my edges out and like a little bit of hair out in the front, so this is like basically transforming the lace front wig into, I guess, like a half wig. I don't know if this is more so ghetto or more of a hack, but either way, I felt more comfortable leaving some hair out. Let me know if y'all want like in detail a tutorial on how I sewed it on and all that, but yeah. And as y'all can see, I'm styling my hair with this curly curl cream. I'm using this because it has more of a hold. It's a little thicker, like it has kind of like a stickier consistency, so it'll kind of keep it more intact. And by the way, y'all, I forgot to tell y'all, it's up to you if you want to put a wig cap on underneath or not. Of course, a wig cap always protects your hair a lot more. I didn't pull mine far enough forward to where I'm putting the glue on the wig cap. Instead, I am putting it directly on my scalp, which in reality probably is not the smartest thing to do. If you're more like cautious than me, I would suggest, you know, pulling that cap all the way forward and putting the glue onto the cap. But as y'all can see, I put the wig glue directly like on my lace and stuck it to my scalp just for more of that natural look. But if you do end up doing it this way, make sure you get the correct type of glue remover. That way your hair does not get damaged. And also, let me know if y'all want a video on how I bleached the knots on this wig, because that is a big part of how it looks so natural. Personally, I like to style mine over the ear, so that's what I am doing. I'm gonna just pull it over my ear and relay my edges and all of that. And this also is gonna help to make it lay a little bit flatter and look more natural. yeah, I'm just playing with it and making sure I cover up where my hair ends and where the lace starts. So yeah, y'all, that is how I installed this pixie cut wig using this method that I pretty much made up. So let me know what y'all think down in the comments below. Also, like I said, make sure you watch part 2 on how I do it the traditional, you know, lace front way. I'm gonna insert a picture to show y'all what that looked like. And also, y'all, it's super cute when you accessorize it too. Yes, I'm gonna be playing with this a lot. Thank you guys for watching. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, NAYvy.